Welcome to Bike Shift. In today's video, we explore the all-new 2026 Freedom 200 cubic centimeters, a motorcycle designed for riders who want power, style, and practicality in a single package. This latest model has arrived with upgraded performance, modern features, and a completely refreshed attitude. Let's dive into every detail and understand what makes the 2026 Freedom 200 cubic centimeters a standout option in the 200 cubic centimeters segment. The 2026 Freedom 200 cubic centimeters introduces a bold new design language. Its muscular fuel tank, sharp aerodynamic panels, and aggressive front profile create a premium road presence. Updated LED headlamps and tail lamps add a futuristic touch, while the sporty split-seat setup provides comfort for both rider and pillion. The motorcycle's new color schemes combine matte and gloss finishes, giving it a refined yet energetic look. Overall, the styling aims at riders who love a modern, eye-catching machine. At the heart of this model lies a refined 200 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, engineered to offer smooth acceleration and impressive mid-range power. The engine's tuning focuses on delivering a balance between performance and fuel efficiency, ideal for daily riders as well as weekend tourers. With improved combustion technology, the bike offers quicker throttle response and reduced vibration levels. Whether in the city or on the highway, the 2026 Freedom 200 cubic centimeters ensures a responsive and confident riding experience. The upgraded suspension setup in the 2026 model significantly enhances comfort. The front telescopic forks and rear monoshock are tuned for better shock absorption, offering stability on rough roads and agility during cornering. The lightweight chassis improves handling, making the motorcycle easy to control even in heavy traffic. With an upright riding posture, the Freedom 200 cubic centimeters is suitable for long-distance rides without causing fatigue. Safety has been boosted with a dual-disc braking system supported by an advanced ABS unit. This setup improves braking performance during sudden stops and slippery conditions. The motorcycle also features better grip tires, wider rims, and improved balance technology to ensure maximum control. Additional safety elements include hazard lights, engine cutoff sensors, and a more durable frame structure. The 2026 Freedom 200 cubic centimeters embraces modern connectivity and digitalization. It now includes a full digital instrument cluster displaying navigation alerts, trip information, gear position indicators, and fuel economy stats. Smartphone connectivity allows riders to track ride data and receive call or message notifications. USB charging ports, a new EcoSport riding mode, and LED indicators add convenience to everyday riding. The 2026 Freedom 200 cubic centimeters aims to deliver premium features at a competitive price point, making it an excellent value-for-money motorcycle in its segment. With its strong performance, upgraded safety features, stylish appearance, and modern tech additions, it appeals to young riders and commuters who want an all-rounder machine. The Freedom 200 cubic centimeters stands out as one of the most exciting new releases of 2026.